Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with a very special video. If you've been keeping up with the animated series for Rainbow High, you might have seen the season finale last week, where finally Bella came back to the school. On top of that, this month we're celebrating Pride Month, in which we celebrate the LGBT+ community and remember everyone who had to fight for their rights. To celebrate both Bella's comeback and Pride Month, I decided to do a fun lookbook video for Jade and Bella, who hopefully will become a confirmed couple by MGA Entertainment soon. In preparation of this lookbook video, I already wrapped both Jade's and Bella's hair around perm rollers. And for my Jade doll, I'm actually using a different Jade than I showed in my review on my channel. That's because the black dye I used on her hair severely stained both the body and her face, which made me decide to get a face replacement for Jade on AliExpress. The doll head I found on there was the cheer version. I was actually really impressed with the quality of this face, because you're not always sure what you're gonna get with AliExpress dolls. Because sometimes the rooting can be really crooked, or the face can have several stains, but this one seemed to be really good. I want this Jade to replace my basic Jade doll, because as you can see, that one became very stained over time from the dye I used. Her body got very stained too, but I feel like I will be able to live with that, so I'm only swapping the heads on these dolls. To match my other main dolls, I did want to remove that Go Team mark on her face, and to do this, I'm gonna go in with nail polish remover and a Q-tip, which wiped it away pretty easily. I did talk to some people on Instagram that told me that they were left with some green stains on the cheek after doing the same thing, but mine got pretty clean with just this nail polish remover. With this step, I did really take my time and spent about 9 minutes on each side wiping away the paint. That left me with this really nice and clean Jade doll. To start this lookbook, I will take out the perm rollers from their hair that I let set overnight to reveal their curls. Currently both dolls are in pieces from their own outfit, but in this video I will be playing a lot with combining both of their colors to give them a nicely coordinated couple look. The first outfits they're gonna wear are still based on their original looks, with an added color detail from the other character. I actually ended up switching Jade's top for Karma's white tank top that says rainbow in gold. She's wearing her own green joggers and the green shoes, because I absolutely love how they have that touch of pink on the soles, matching Bella's color palette perfectly. Then I found this white and pink jacket on AliExpress as well, and I'm not completely sure which doll this originally is from, but I really love that it looks so sporty, going with Jade's look very well, still incorporating that pink color for Bella. Then for Bella, she's wearing her original t-shirt and skirt, and I added Jade's jacket to the outfit to make her look a little more sporty, and to have that same pop of the other girl's color added to the look. For the shoes, I decided to add Avery Styles white boots, because I really liked how that matches with the white top that Jade is wearing. And again, this added a bit more of a sporty vibe to the look. And that is my first look for both of them. For the second look, we're keeping a similar theme with the green and pink color combination, but adding in a lot of pieces from different characters as well to complete the look. For this look, I put both of their hair in that half up Ariana Grande inspired ponytail with one front curl hanging down. This time Jade is wearing her own second jacket and a pink hair-mazing cropped turtleneck that I really love. I paired this with Kaya's pink shorts. This does show off Jade's legs, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I really did like the outfit I put together. To complete Jade's look, she's wearing these light brown Project MC squared shoes that I also got from AliExpress. And these shoes surprisingly fit rainbow high dolls really well. What I came up with for Bella was her own jacket with that pearl detail on the sleeves, crystal silver top, and Karma's bright green skirt. What I really loved about this look was how the leather look from the jacket and skirt matched so well. She's also wearing her own pink stockings and her pearl shoes, because those go really well with the jacket. Looking back, I probably wouldn't have added the stockings again, but overall I still like this look and the way Bella and Jade look together. For the third and final look, I did not want to incorporate their original color scheme too much, but play with matching denim outfits. I actually love how these looks turned out, and for both girls I styled their hair with braided accents. In Jade's hair, you can see that I braided her two front pieces. The outfit she's wearing is this amazing Project MC squared denim jacket with leather sleeves that I got as a gift from my friend Michael. I paired this with a black top that says rainbow in gold that came with the Avery Styles fashion studio. And I actually had these denim shorts that are, again, from AliExpress, that are pretty close to a perfect match in color with the jacket. I also added a Maya's black cheerleader socks with this look as a perfect way to hide the stained legs on my Jade doll. And then to add a pop of rainbow in this outfit, I went with Sunny's golden rainbow platform shoes, which also matches the golden letters in the top Jade is wearing. To style Bella's hair, I added a Dutch braid in the front that I tied in the back, and to loosen up the curls just a little, I did spray the hair with a bit of water. And as you can see, that made them a lot more relaxed than they were before, which I personally prefer much better. The outfit Bella is wearing is Karma's top with those golden rainbow high letters. That is a perfect match to the top Jade is wearing right now. This jacket came with Kaya and has a bunch of embroidered detail on it in pink, which also works very well with Bella. I paired that with the jeans that came with Avery Styles, because that matches the color of the jacket pretty closely. And I'm finishing that up again with Avery's white shoes. I really love how those rainbow soles match the shoes Jade is wearing, and the white in these shoes matches Bella's top very well. And that finishes up my lookbook for Jella. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. I'm also really curious to hear which of these looks was your favorite in a comment down below. I think I'd have to go with the denim looks for both of the girls. Also be sure to let me know in the comments who I should do a lookbook video for next. And then, if you want to see more pictures of my dolls, you can follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!